Listen, if you are an up-and-coming attorney and you want to be a litigator, go watch attorney Fernando Mack's closing in the Bionca Ellis case. This man was relatable and he humanized his client, although she committed a heinous act. When I tell you he did his job and he needs his flowers, you need to go watch this trial. Now I'm just going to give you a couple of moments, a couple of minutes of his closing, the beginning, because I can't get it all. But if you have free time, please go watch it. You would not be disappointed. Okay, stay tuned.
When I first learned of this incident, I learned through the media, like a number of you, and I said to myself, what crazy person would kill a 3-year-old child? Those are my words. I said, this world is going to hell. And as fate would have it, I get assigned to the case. And then I began learning about this woman right here. I came to understand that there was mental illness. I came to understand how this came to be.
Relatable.
The elephant in the room is this.
He's about to
There was a 3-year-old child whose life was taken from him. Not by his fault, not by his mother's fault. Bionca caused the death of that child.
He owns his client's
And we all know that this family doesn't deserve this. I implore you to embrace your humanity. It's okay to feel the pain that they're going through.
He's being relatable to the jury.
If watching life-saving measures, trying to save a kid's life, if listening to a mother asking if her child is alive doesn't move you, then I question your humanity.
He's owning
They're
this.
seeing photos of a deceased child, listening to a parent's pain, listening to a mother having to leave out of this courtroom. If that doesn't move you, then I don't know what could.
He's saying
Again,
everyone is thinking
I question your humanity. Knowing that the veil can't be undone. Because I know a lot of lawyers will tell you, you got to set this aside. You can't set that aside. But guess what? You have an oath. And no matter how much courage it takes or how challenging this is for you, you said during jury selection that you would follow that oath. Mr. Johnson, we have to concede that this case emotionally is difficult. I watched you cry during this case. I've been practicing for 31 years. This is one of 3 cases where I felt as you did. That's okay. But you also made a pledge that when you make a decision in this case, it will not be based on sympathy. And you can feel the emotions that you must have experienced during this trial, but still make the correct decision.
Now, I have been watching this trial on and off in the 7 or 8 days that it has been going on, but I am very impressed with Attorney Mack's performance, and ultimately what he did and what he said in his closing is what many people were thinking. I enjoyed and liked the fact that he was relatable, and he reminded the people, when I say the people, the jury, of what their job is and the oath they took. Now, the jury has been deliberating. Yesterday, they deliberated for about almost 2 hours before the judge let them go home. They will resume deliberating today. Again, this was a very heinous crime, but Attorney Mack, in his closing, did a great job of showing why his client should be found not guilty by reason of insanity. an excellent job, and I can't go into details about it, but just go watch it. I mean, he walked them through. He countered the state's argument about the rage and well planned argument, how she knew what she was doing. I mean, he did an excellent job. I can't, just go watch it. Just go watch it from the best dressed pub defender that you know. I love y'all.